Well, good morning. It's Crazy Cheap Chick, and tonight we are going to have spring rolls for dinner. I love spring rolls, and they're so easy to make. And when you're dieting like I am, they're really pretty diet friendly. The rice paper is pretty low in calories, and even the sauce, the sweet chili sauce, it's only 80 calories for 2 tablespoons. And if you have to dip your vegetables in just a tiny bit of sugar to choke them down, this is a good way to do it. So come on, let's make some spring rolls. Well, I'm going to start getting the vegetable prepared for the spring rolls, and one thing is carrots. And so I'm going to grate them in the food processor. That's one thing I really like about spring rolls is all the fresh vegetables. And I mean, they're not hard to make at all. It's just a little time consuming getting the vegetables prepared. Really, not that much time. Not with modern technology. I'm gonna grate a few carrots here. All I did was take this chicken, and this pan is already greased, and I added a little water to the pan. And I'm gonna use this tandoori masala seasoning. I don't like to put salt on it because I think it dries the meat out. Adding flavor is good. I think I might put a little bit of black seed on that as well. Gives it kind of a, I don't know, smoky flavor to me. And I'm probably gonna put a little bit of cilantro on there. Yep, just some cilantro. And we're gonna bake this until done. It'll probably take about an hour. I'm gonna put it in at about 375, I think. That'll give it some really good flavor as it cooks, so that's good. Shredded up the chicken, and then these are all the things that are gonna go in the spring roll. Carrots, avocado, cilantro, red cabbage, green cabbage, green onions, and sour cream cheese. And then these are the rice sticks. And you're just going to soften the rice paper in water, fill them and roll them. So I want a little bit of everything, including the noodles. And then you're just gonna wrap it. Just pull it in. Everybody does theirs a little differently, and mine aren't that neat. They're not professional, but they're good. So there's one down. Now 5 or 6 to go. And there's my spring rolls all made. I'm not that professional, but they're so good. And then you're just gonna take your sauce, and I put it in a little dish and dip them as I eat them. There you go, sweet chili sauce and spring rolls. I don't think it gets much better than that. This is one of my favorite meals. I often make a peanut sauce to go with this, and it is so good, but it's so high calorie. So I decided to skip that tonight. Well, thank you so much for watching my video all the way to the end. I really do appreciate it. And it makes me think that you're probably a pretty health conscious person. Maybe you're trying to lose a couple of pounds like me. And if you are, spring rolls are pretty diet friendly. If you got anything at all out of this video, please give me a like and consider subscribing. We do all kinds of fun things out here at Bright Bridge Farm, and I hope you'll join along. Have a great evening.
I think Margie can see me.
She wants to go inside.
That's it. You want this guy guy is fuzzier than this guy.
What now?
This guy is fuzzier than this guy.
Oh, well, that one is Edison, remember? And the one with the black nose is Tesla.
I remember.
Yeah. How you doing? Doing okay?